In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your daily assigned tasks in Jira like a power user. If opening Jira each morning feels overwhelming, don't worry. A busy project board can make it hard to know where to focus, especially when all you really want is a clear view of what's assigned to you. The good news is that Jira makes this much easier once you know exactly where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to sign in, find your personal task list, understand what each task card is telling you, update your status, leave a useful progress comment, use a faster board view when needed, and then do a quick final review before wrapping up. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Atlassian sign-in page or your organization's Jira site. Enter your work email, select Continue, type your password, and then log in. Once you're inside, you'll land on your Jira home area where you may see multiple projects and updates across the workspace. To cut through that noise and focus only on your responsibilities, move to the top navigation bar and click your work. From the menu that appears, select Assigned to Me. This opens a personalized list of tasks that belong to you, so you can immediately see what needs your attention without digging through team-wide boards. Now take a closer look at one of the items in your list. Each task card usually includes an issue key, which is the task ID, followed by the task summary or title. On the right, you'll normally see important details like the current status, the priority, and the due date. Together, these fields give you a quick snapshot of what the task is, how urgent it is, and where it stands right now. When you're ready to begin work on a task, click the item to open its details. Near the top of the issue, find the status dropdown, which may currently say to do. Open it and change the status to in progress. This signals to your team that you've started the task and helps keep reporting accurate without extra messages or manual updates. Next, scroll down to the comment area and click Add a Comment. Enter a short, clear update about what you're working on, then click Save. A simple note creates a helpful record of progress and keeps everyone aligned. If you need a faster method, go to your sprint board or Kanban board. Use the Only My Issues filter or your profile filter if available to show just your tasks. Then drag a card from one column to another, such as from in progress to done, to update it visually. Before you finish, do a quick review. Make sure your tasks are in the correct columns, your updates are saved, and your comments appear properly. That final check helps keep your dashboard clean, accurate, and easy for everyone to understand. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.